You know those hip flexors or hamstrings you've been stretching? That IT band you've been rolling? That glute you've been jamming a massage ball into? None of these are actually helping the problem. In fact, in some cases, they may be making it worse. Good news, I'm Coach Matt Pippin and we're kicking off our Healthy Hips 10-Day Challenge on May 4th, where you'll discover how to unlock those tight, sticky hips and move freely in less than 10 minutes a day. No foam roller, passive stretching, or massage gadgets needed. Now, it doesn't matter if you're dealing with tight or weak hip flexors, IT bands, hamstrings, glutes, or your groin. I'll guide you through my easy-to-follow, proven process that I've used with clients to get amazing results. You might be surprised to find out that the root of these tight, annoying issues is at your hip joint, which is where all those muscles are connected to in the first place. Yes, even though you feel problems in your muscles, it's coming from your joint. And a healthy hip joint is designed to flex, extend, abduct, adduct, and most importantly, internally and externally rotate. But if any of these actions are limited, the body will start to compensate by using other areas of the hip to pick up the slack. Hello, tight, everything in your hip. So how do we get this to go away? The hip joint has a specific hierarchy in terms of which movements are most essential and usually cause the most problems. In the Healthy Hips 10-Day Challenge, I'll show you how to attack this hierarchy in the right order, which is the key to release all that tightness and all those aches and pains, increase range of motion and flexibility, and skyrocket sports performance. I'll guide you every step of the way and show you this simple process for using this hip hierarchy to make long-lasting change. I'm so pumped for this, guys, because the guessing and throwing different things at your problems stops here. Sign up now and you'll not only get the simple and effective exercises I use with clients to help relieve tight, sticky hips, but you'll learn how to move, which is the key to creating and keeping healthy hips. Do it from your living room, during breaks at work, while watching your kids' Little League game. You can literally participate from wherever you are. Beginners to advanced movers are welcome. Oh, and did I mention we'll be giving away some pretty awesome prizes worth hundreds of dollars along the way. We're not talking free t-shirts here, people. So if you're struggling with a hip flexor that locks up while you run, glutes that knot up during your golf game, or hamstrings that always feel like steel cables, I've got you covered. Stop the guessing, guys. Sign up now and I'll see you on May 4th.